CWM-201A, Anesthesia Machine. Pipeline Connection. First, make sure the pipelines are connected accurately. The test lung connects the breathing tube with the Y connector. One end of the flow sensor tube is connected to the sampling connector. The breathing tube is connected to the inhalation and exhalation ports. The other end of the flow sensor tube is connected to the anesthesia machine. The breathing bag with a silicone tube is connected to the manual port. The high-pressure gas pipeline on the back of the machine is connected to the oxygen cylinder or the hospital's central gas supply. If connect, the oxygen cylinder should add the pressure regulator. For more operating guidance, please refer to next video. Thank you.